Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to work on my D110 here, change the throttle cable. As you can see, on my previous video, I changed a single cylinder to a V-twin. You can check that video. I'll put it in the comments. So now these V-twins take a dual cable, and single cylinder only takes single cable. I think there's two tabs on here, locking tabs. One there, and two on the other side. So what I do is press with a screwdriver, press one in. I'm gonna grab the throttle lever on the other side and pull sideways a little bit. Press in, that one's up, and the other one right here. Yeah, now that's up. I'm gonna keep tension on this side so it doesn't snap back in. I'm just going to press on these two here. It's the same as the other side while I pull up on it. There you go. Okay, grab the other one and just snap her down. Keep your hand, snap her down there, good. On the LA series, you can order a single or dual that fits in your dash, but on your D series or E, if you put an old motor and it takes a dual cable, it won't fit perfectly in your dash, so you're gonna have to trim. So I'm gonna mark it here and just trim right here a little bit. There we go, snapped it in there. Now, the thickness here are different on this switch. It's slightly smaller, so if you shake it, it'll pop off. Okay? So I'm gonna put a screw right here. And one down here. I drill here, but don't drill here or here because there's nothing behind here. There's a little black paint on that if you want. Remove the hood. The gas first here. Gas on full here. It's on full right there. And down. Yep. Perfect. The choke cable. There you go. Put it in the hole here. This clamp only goes one way. As you can see, it's got a notch here. It's got a notch here. Put it. Alright, I'm going to put the choke all off. Make sure the lever's all the way off. And tighten up there just a little bit. Alright, you can smash that thumbs up button below. You can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.